This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 7T versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now the 7T, this one has a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and Android 10. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, this one has the Snapdragon 855 non-Plus processor, 8 gigs of RAM, Android 9, and its latest version of the One UI overlay. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Should be a fun little test here. And if you're wondering, this is a broken screen protector on the S10 Plus. That's what that is. Oh! And as you can see, it looks like the S10 Plus here. A little bit ahead on the boot up. And we are in! All right, let's go ahead and swipe over to the right, or swipe left to go to the right part of this home screen, this speed test. And real quick, so you can see no recent items on the 7T and no recently used apps. On the S10 Plus, all apps, caches, browsers have been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, very close. Messages. Give that one to the 7T. The camera. Gonna go ahead and do it like this so you can see the viewfinder. I'm gonna give that to the S10 Plus. And then next up, we do have the clock on both phones. So I'm gonna run that right now. Go. Very close indeed. Run that and leave that running. Chrome and the Samsung Internet. A little bit faster on the left. This one had to load Google. So let's see, I'm gonna go for, let's go to Samsung. Or just do a search for Samsung. Just do it like this. You guys are the judges. Oh, what's this? Get that out of there. Go. Maybe the 7T? Come on. You'd expect the Samsung webpage to load faster on the Samsung phone using the Samsung browser, but kind of funny. OnePlus. Spell that right? I think so. Okay, and let's see, we'll just go. And a missed touch. Whoops. Okay, take this one with a grain of salt. Get out of this one. Okay, let's see. OnePlus 7T, click buy now. See which one's faster on this. You guys are the judges. I think the 7T was quicker. Pinch to zoom. Pretty good on the S10 Plus, and I can't do it on OnePlus. Well, that's kind of annoying. Let's go to GSM Arena. We'll check this one. Looking at the progress bar, let's see. Oh, very close. And again, I can't pinch to zoom. It's a little weird. We'll go to the desktop version. See if that makes a difference. And again, very close. Here we go. I can pinch to zoom now. And because of its 90Hz display on the 7T, nice and smooth. Wow, look at that. I don't know if you cannot tell on this video, but in person, that is buttery smooth. Whereas the S10 just feels like a regular phone. Calculator. Call that one a draw. Play Store. Very close again. To run the search for my favorite app. And then let's see. Where is it? This one. And we're gonna install this. Meh. Maybe next time. Click on the deal of the day. Ooh, much faster on the S10 Plus. And dead heat on this one. eBay. Whoo, so close. Yeah, negligible differences, really. As you can see. And then this one, let's see. Oh, S10 Plus. Tap to begin real quick. Mario time, and then Temple Run 2 is up next. As you can see so far, I mean, not a big difference between 855 and 855 Plus. Let's see who wins this one. Temple Run 2. Oh, give that to the 7T. And then next up is this one, Angry Birds. Starting up and logging in on the 7T. Will the S10 catch it? Maybe. Ooh. Nope, I don't think so. We'll give this to the 7T, as you can see. Yeah, I don't know about this whole swiping thing on Android 10. I don't know. I think I prefer the old school navigation buttons, but we'll see. Asphalt 9 Legends. Who's gonna take this one? Which phone? Oh, and give this to the S10 Plus. And then again, swipe away. See, I don't know. I'm not used to it. Maybe I'm just getting old, I don't know. 10-cent games. So you can see. PUBG! Gotta test out the PUBG. Mandatory game. Downloading. Oops. Looks like I have to download extra file in the 7T. Okay, now it's loading. So you take this one with a grain of salt. This one had to download some extra stuff. But as you can see, even with that, I mean, still pretty fast. See, you're in already, so give you an idea. And then we do have the Photoshop Express. And then say no to this. Okay, it's this. Which one is it? It's this image right here. Now this is an 8K image. Maybe it's not this one. Hold on a second. This one. And on the S10, is it this one? I think it's this one. Okay, we'll go ahead and click on Charm, and then Memory. Click on that one, and then jack that up all the way. And then we're gonna save the gallery. See which one does it faster. And we'll give the slight edge to the 7T. Twitter, identical. IG, identical again, maybe the 7T by a tad. WhatsApp. Ooh, I think that was the S10. Snapchat. Oh, so close. All right, let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. Oh man, that 9Hz display going between apps. Ooh, that is buttery smooth. Wow. Love the 90Hz. All right, so we'll go ahead and just do it like this. WhatsApp, good to go. And then Instagram, good to go again. Twitter. And then the Photoshop, same place. PUBG, ready to go on both phones. And then Asphalt 9. There we go, ready to play on both. Nothing weird yet. And then we have the Angry Birds too. Okay, a little bit faster on the S10 on that one, I'd say. By a little bit. Not a big difference though, really. There's the Temple Run. And then here's the Mario Run. Pretty good, still there. eBay. Same place. Amazon. Same place. Play Store. Still on the TikTok app. Super annoying. Calculator, same place. Browsers. No reloads yet. Clock is still running the stopwatch. And then the camera, do it like this. See which one reloads this faster. Okay, a little bit faster on the S10. Messages. There we go. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on team OnePlus, rocking the OnePlus 7T or the OnePlus 7T Pro? Do you have the regular OnePlus 7 or the OnePlus 7 Pro? Do you have the OnePlus 6T or OnePlus 6, OnePlus 5, 5T? Or do you have the top of the line OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition? Or are you a Samsung Knight? rocking a Galaxy S10 Plus? Do you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, a Note 9 or a Note 8, or S9 or an S8, an S7 Edge if you're old school? Or are you a baller and have the Galaxy Fold? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.